Hello friends, how are you? In this video, we shall learn polynomials in the course of class 10th half yearly examination revision. So we have taken this question, which is an important question, and often it had been a part of examination. How to find a quadratic polynomial when sum and product of its zeros are given. A part, sum is 1 upon 4 and the product is minus 1. B part, sum is 0 and the product is square root 5. So let us see. There are two methods to find the quadratic polynomial when sum and product of its zeros are given. I'm Samir and you are watching My Scholars. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe the channel. So let us see the solution. Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta. We take zeros as alpha and beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to, it is given 1 upon 4. And the product of zeros, alpha into beta, is given by minus 1. So it is minus 1. Now, we have a formula, that is k into x square minus sum of the roots within bracket into x plus product of the roots. So this way, we shall directly substitute or put the values into the formula. So this way it will turn k within bracket x square minus sum of the zeros are given 1 upon 4 alpha plus beta, or it can be written also as alpha plus beta into x, alpha into beta plus alpha into beta. So it is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. One upon 4 into x plus product is given minus 1, keeping it in bracket. This is, when we solve this will become x square minus 1 upon 4x minus 1. If we multiply or take 1 upon 4 common from the whole equation, the equation can be written as, instead of k, we shall write 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is taken as common. So from here, when we shall take 1 upon 4, it will become 4 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is taken common. So this will be 4. 4x square and minus 1 upon 4 is taken common. Minus x. And from here 1 upon 4 is taken common, means that 4 upon 4. So that will be 4 minus 4. This is our quadratic equation so formed. Now by using the other way, in the other way, we shall do the same thing but only change a little. That is, by another method. Sum of the zeros is known as alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. We know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta c upon a. So this way alpha plus beta is given 1 upon 4. So this way minus b upon a is 1 upon 4. That is equal to 1 upon 4. And c upon a is minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 can be written as 4 upon 4 minus 4 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. This is 1 upon 4, and that is minus b upon a. So from here the value of b is minus 1. The value of b is minus 1. Therefore b is equal to minus 1 and a is equal to 4 minus 4. A is equal to minus 4. Sorry, b is equal to minus 1 and a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 1 or minus 4. C is equal to minus 1 or minus 4. C is equal to minus 4. Since a is equal to 4, c is equal to minus 4. Minus 4. And we have the equation ax square, general equation, general quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Substituting the value of a, b and c. A 4. So 4 equation will be 4x square minus 1. So minus x and c minus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. This is other way. Now we are solving second part, part B, with both the methods. First we shall use the first method, which is direct formula method, and then we use this method. Till here is the same for both the question, only changing this. Now B part. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is given 0. Product of the roots is given is square root 5. And by first method we have a formula k within bracket x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Product of the roots. Now we shall substitute the values. X square, that will become k into x square minus sum of the roots is given x, 0 into x. Product of the root given is square root 5. So plus square root 5. This way the required quadratic equation is k into x square plus root 5 And when we take the value of k1, the equation will be x square plus 5. X square plus root 5. Using other way to find this equation. Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta. We know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Here alpha plus beta is 0, so that is equal to 0. Now product of the roots, alpha into beta is equal to c upon a is equal to root 5. We can take a as 1. So here 1, here also 1. Zero upon 1 is equal to 0. Root 5 upon 1 is equal to root 5. This way, the value of a is 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. C is equal to root 5. And using general quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c, here we take plus, is equal to 0. Substituting the value of a, b and c. So this will 1x square plus 0 into b plus root 5 is equal to 0. Or we can say 0 into x. 0 into x plus root 5. So this will become x square plus root 5, which is our required quadratic equation. This is enough for this video. Thank you for watching, my scholars. Please write in comment box how do you feel about our videos, or from which city, which town or which country you are watching our video. Again, thank you for watching, my scholars.